You want some more raspberries? More? Yeah? Here you go. You want to do it yourself? Here. Here. Good job. Good job. She wants to do it herself. Let Daddy do it. Here. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back. Come on, girl. Give me this food back. More raspberries. More raspberry. Gotta open up your mouth, honey. Come on. Ah. Here you go. Oh. Here you go. What is that, the mean face? You give me mean face? Come on. Eat some more. No? Okay, fine. No problem. So everybody, we're in the middle of the storm. Supposedly the strongest bands of wind are making their way through. I don't know if you'll be able to see any of this, but it is coming down out here. Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't look that bad right now, but Hurricane Sandy, bitch. Excuse my language.